This video we're going to run through answers to circuit diagrams from activity 5b. This is circuit 7. Now this is probably the hardest circuit that we're going to look at. So we run from a power supply through a switch going into a set of bulbs in parallel, and we're going to be measuring the voltage across one of those bulbs. It all then links up to go to another single bulb, and then we're going to check out the current using an ammeter as it goes back to the power supply. So it's pretty complicated, this. So let's follow it logically. We start off with our power supply, and then we're going to go through into our switch. Now from our switch we're now going to have two bulbs in what we call a parallel circuit, which means they branch off each other. So I'll set up a wire here. And here's my branching. So although that wire is coming off at 90 degrees to the switch, it doesn't have to. It's just the way that we're going to be showing it. Okay, it could actually follow straight down. The fact it's bent or what have you is irrelevant with respect to the wire. So here are my two bulbs. Now this is similar to what we did in circuit 6. Okay, so there's my two bulbs in parallel. Now note that I'm going to have to put my bulbs in. I'm going to have a single series bulb going next to this, like so. So this is exactly what we had in the last circuit. Now I'm going to put in the meters. Okay, and you can see the bulbs linking across. Now that is an ammeter there. If you look closely, it's got an A on it. So I'll put that across. There we go. And now I'm going to put a voltmeter on the bottom. Okay, so I just link it across the bulb that I'm looking at, and you just check where the wires are connected, and then you just put the wires across that on your circuit diagram, like so. And then we go straight back up to the top. So I'm going to put my wires in. Make sure everything connects. And there we have it. There's our completed circuit. As I say, looks fairly complicated, but if you follow it logically, it's not. So we go from the bulb through the switch into our parallel pair of bulbs, which has a voltmeter reading across one of the bottom bulb. These all then link up, and then the electricity flows through a single bulb, runs through a wire to the ammeter, and then runs through the wires right back to the power supply. Great job if you got that right.